Yeah, so here's what happens with WebAssign. So I'm out at that week one WebAssign, and you have something like on the homework portion on the problem sets, you have something like 100 attempts on these things. So I mean, what you don't want to do with these multiple choice ones, you don't want to just click through, keep clicking until you get the right answer. You really want to try to figure out what's going on. So for this question, I see 10 males, 10 females, and uh, want to be included in the survey, whether or not they like stats or my stat class. So this is a stratified sample because we get two groups, but does it qualify as a random sample? I don't know because I don't know how well, they do say randomly selected, yes. However, we don't know the ratio of males to females. If there's twice the number of males as there are females, or reverse, twice as many females as males, there should be twice as many female students as males. So to make it representative sample. So I'm gonna say there's not enough information here and click. Well, let's say I say no, and I don't. That's all I say. Let's see what WebAssign says. I think the right answer is that one. Okay, so I'm gonna click submit answer, and oh wow, it did that. Well, I still think not enough information would be the right answer. All right, but you see that's right. Up here, what method is this? It's like two teams, and everyone on that team gets tested. Well, some people might say that's a stratified, and some people might say no, it's not a random sample. So let's check it out. Submit the answer. And I'm getting them both wrong. Well, the correct answer is that this is a cluster sample because you're picking two teams and sampling everybody in that team. Not sampling, but you're measuring everybody on each of those teams. And is it a random sample? Yes, because the randomness comes in from how you pick the two teams in the first place. Now, it's not a simple random sample. I'll be interested if I get this wrong. It's possible. But that's my thinking. No, see, I got it both right. Okay, so you can keep clicking these things until you get the right answer. Tests, I think on WebAssign quizzes, I think I give you 2 or 3 tries for each question. You don't have to redo the whole thing at once. Now, suppose that here, let me pause this and get all the way through this and see how you restart it if you exit this. So here's what I'm seeing to do this. So I got 6 out of 13 right on that question on that set one because I just was clicking. So I'm going to click on the assignment, and then I can change. It shows me what I got right and what I didn't earn any points on or partial points on. And what you're going to do is you can keep doing this until you get it. Submit answer. I don't know what's it saying. I got one right, one wrong. I can talk about why later. So that's how you can redo it. Now see how it gave me one before I had 0 points. Now I've got 1 point. So, and now I'll say this again, you see this right here, try all the questions, earn at least a 70, and then I'll write in full credit out of Canvas. I do that because sometimes you're giving it the right answer, just not in the form they want. Like you're typing in a decimal and it's looking for a percentage, a proportion rather than a percentage, and it's looking for a percentage. I think that's worth getting the points. Sometimes it's just frustrating with doing online math and having that kind of thing happen. So that's why I have that try them all, get a 70 thing. Okay, hopefully this helps answer your question and let you continue with it.